polar dielectric materials, as shape of the molecule is cylindrical in the shape and charges are separated from each other, so molecules are said to be polar in the nature. Also, center of mass of positive charge does not coincides with center of mass of negative charge. We have already discussed about water molecule. So next we will proceed for hydrochloric acid. Now hydrochloric acid, when we consider, it is again belonging to polar molecule. Now why it is polar in the nature? Hydrogen is a electropositive metal. It has a tendency to donate the electron, whereas chlorine belongs to 7th group of the periodic table and it has higher electron affinity. So electronegativity value of chlorine atom is very high. Chlorine will pull the electron of hydrogen atom towards itself more, so it will complete its octet, whereas hydrogen will act as a electron donor. So on the hydrogen atom positive charge is induced and on the chlorine atom negative charge is induced. That's why hydrochloric molecule is a polar in the nature. Let us consider another example, ammonia. When we consider ammonia, chemical formula for ammonia is NH3. There is one nitrogen atom is there and 3 hydrogen atoms are there. Nitrogen has higher electronegativity value, so nitrogen atom will pull the electrons of 3 hydrogen atom towards itself more. That's why on the nitrogen atom delta negative charge is induced. Why delta negative charge is induced? Because nitrogen atom acts as a electron acceptor, whereas hydrogen atoms donates their electron to the nitrogen atom. So on the 3 hydrogen atoms partial positive charge is induced. So ammonia is also belonging to polar molecule. Now let us consider non-polar dielectric molecules. Now if you observe shape of the non-polar dielectric molecule, then circle is there and inside the circle positive charge and negative charge are present. So one can say that positive charge and negative charge are coinciding with each other. So let us define non-polar dielectric molecule. A molecule in which center of mass of positive charge coincides with center of mass of negative charge, as shown in the figure. As center of mass of positive charge coincides with center of mass of negative charge, so separation distance between the charges is 0, and as there is no separation distance between the charges, so product Q into D is also 0. So these molecules does not have permanent dipole moment. Let us consider first example of non-polar molecule, methane. In case of methane, chemical formula is CH4. One carbon atom is there and 4 hydrogen atoms are there. Carbon atom is surrounded by 4 hydrogen atoms. Carbon belongs to 4th group of the periodic table and in its outermost shell there are 4 valence electrons are there. So carbon atom requires 4 another electrons in order to complete its octet. Hydrogen atoms have one valence electron in their outermost shell and they requires one electron in order to complete their duplet. So when we consider methane molecule, carbon atom is surrounded by 4 hydrogen atoms, so that carbon atom shares its valence electron with the hydrogen atom, 4 hydrogen atom, and hydrogen atom share their one valence electron with the carbon atom, so that carbon atom's octet is completed and also hydrogen atom complete its duplet. So covalent bonding is present between carbon and hydrogen. As both the electrons are equally shared in the covalent bond, so charges are not induced on the atoms. So molecule remains uncharged. So methane is non-polar molecule. Let us consider another example, carbon dioxide. In case of carbon dioxide, there is a one carbon atom is there and two oxygen atoms are there. So when we consider CO2 molecule, carbon belongs to fourth group of periodic table, oxygen belongs to sixth group of periodic table. So oxygen atom has more electronegativity value, so it will pull the electron of the carbon atom towards itself more. As oxygen atom pulls the electron from the carbon atom, so on the oxygen atom partial negative charge is induced. Carbon atom acts as a donor, so on the carbon atom partial positive charge is induced. Now if you observe the geometry of the molecule, then what about direction of dipole moment? Direction of dipole moment is opposite to each other, and as dipole moments are opposite to each other, so they will cancel with each other. Net dipole moment present on the CO2 molecule is 0. That's why CO2 molecule is a non-polar in the nature. Let us consider third example, hydrogen molecule. If you observe figure for geometry of hydrogen bonding, then hydrogen has one valence electron in its outermost shell. In order to complete duplet, it requires again one valence electron. So two hydrogen atoms come together and they will share their electrons equally, so that covalent bond is formed. Now in the covalent bond, both the electrons are present at the same distance from both the nuclei of both the hydrogen atoms. So there is no charge induced on both the hydrogen atoms, so molecule remains uncharged. So molecule is non-polar in the nature.